Yo, this is number 9, Gold Standard Football, numero 90. Numero 90. Alright, Steve 1, Berg 1, Jeff K 2, Broham 5, Logan 1, KO 4, Jesse 2, Saltwater Tree, Samuel K. Jackson 3, Chief Keef 2, Chad 1, Patrick 1, Chad Anderson 2, KO 1, Rob 1, Kevin O 1 more, and Ty Dollar Sign with 1. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Broham, you're on top, and Sam K's on the bottom, 5 times. Bill Berg, Jags, Broham, Cardinals, Cowboys, Raiders, Jets, Bucks, Chad, Panthers, Eagles, Bayer, Giants, Jeff K, Chargers, Rams, Jesse, Falcons, Patriots, Logan, Bengals, Chief Keef, Niners, Seahawks, KO, Packers, Ravens, Bears, let's see, Packers, Ravens, Bears, Browns, Colts, Titans, Patrick, Broncos, Rob, Dolphins, Saltwater, Chiefs, Vikings, Saints, Sam K, Lions, Texans, Redskins, Steve G, Bills, and Ty Dollar Sign with the Steelers. Yeah, Chaz. Yeah, you're good, man. Absolutely. 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 Falcons for Eagles. All right, sounds good. Falcons for Eagles. Atlanta Falcons for the Philadelphia Eagles. So Jesse to the Philadelphia Eagles. Ty. Nope. Chad. Chad. Okay. Sticking with Denver. Okay. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Got it going on. Skins for Packers. Alright, let me mark that down real quick. Redskins for Packers. Same Redskins, Green Bay Packers. KO. Good trade. Alright, let's get this thing going. Jameson, me and Stacy's mom, man. Me and Stacy's mom. Me and Stacy's mom got it going on. Alright, alright, alright. On top, Baker out of 25. Baker Mayfield out of 25. That wouldn't be bad, man. That wouldn't be too shabby. Oh, you won one. Nice, man. Alright, Baker out of 25. This card's going the wrong way. Antonio Gates, Keenan Allen out of 49. Dual patches for the Chargers. For the La Chargers. Very nice. Last Friday night. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, another Chargers hit. Kelly and Justin Herbert at 249. 249. Dual Chargers hit again. Give me something crazy in this box, hey? Alright, triple jersey, 2 of Chase Young, Joe Burrow. Newly minted triple jersey. Triple jersey there. Of 2 Chase Young and Joey Burrows out of 249. Must be an extra hit in this box. Ooh. 4-color patch, Lamar Jackson out of 49. 43 out of 49. 4-color patch of Lamar. Nice Lamar Jackson, little patchy poo there. We still have yet to get an auto. We got 4 patches and no auto. Let's see what we got here. Oh, the GOAT himself. It is a Bob Lilly. Bob Lilly at a 99. The GOAT. The GOAT himself in gold ink. Bob Lilly out of 99. The GOAT himself. Bob Lilly. And Jimmy G at a 75. Well, Bob Lilly's the GOAT, man. Put some respect on his name. Trash the pat. This is good stuff, man. Look, I bet you this card right here goes for over $100. This right here is probably 80 bucks. This right here, 400. This right here, 500 bucks. Right, Chief Keef? That wasn't too bad. Alright, triple jersey. We'll have to randomize that. Dual patches, Chargers, Browns, Ravens, Niners, Chargers, Cowboys. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, KO. You got the Browns. Baltimore, KO. You got the Lamar. 69ers, Chief Keef. Dallas, Broham. Super nice big pool there. Hopefully not. LA Chargers, Jeff K. Little 2-piecer for you. And let's see, Bengals, Skins, and Miami Dolphins. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 5 times we randomize. Cincy, Washington, Miami. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and it's going to Cincinnati. Cincinnati, big card there. All right, Joe Logan, that's going to you, man. That is a very nice card. I bet that's selling for a hot buck. I know it's just a relic, but I bet you it's going for quite a bit. 5 times, guys. Top spot. Free spot in the bonus break. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Jesse. All right, Jesse, there you go. That'll be number 9 for you. Number 9, gold standard. Okay. Alright, guys. So, multi-sports got 5 left. Up next, we have Volt. And I have 13 left in the mini helmet. Chronicles has 11 left as well. Alright, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Up next, we have Volt Divisions. Thank you, guys.